In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox to a calendar in Notion step by step. Whether you're organizing tasks for 2025, tracking daily habits, or you simply want a clearer way to mark things as done inside your calendar, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can stay productive and organized. First, open your web browser and head over to Notion, then sign into your account. If you're new to Notion, don't worry, creating an account is quick and easy by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and open the page where your calendar is located. If you don't have a calendar yet, you can create one inside that page before moving forward, so make sure you're working in the right place. Next, click on your calendar view and look toward the top right corner. You'll see a small settings or options button that controls how the calendar behaves. Click on it, then choose the option labeled Edit Properties. This section allows you to customize what information appears inside your calendar entries and how you interact with them. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're editing the correct calendar view, confirm you have editing permissions for the page, and double-check that you're not in a read-only workspace. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion. Once you're inside the Properties menu, click on Add a New Property and choose Checkbox from the list of available property types. Give it a clear name, then confirm your choice. After that, return to your calendar and click on any date or event. You should now see your new checkbox available, allowing you to mark tasks as complete directly from the calendar without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to reorder your properties so the checkbox appears near the top for faster access. Taking this extra step makes your workflow even smoother and more efficient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add and use checkboxes in your Notion calendar easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be organizing their schedules in Notion. Why not make someone's day easier?